Mechocha Oyugis umuseneta we kaunti ya Kisii umuske Richard Onyonka na boigo noyo kabere umuwakilishi wa bangina we kaunti ya Kisii umukoro umuske Janet Ong'era na brabo nigo banyara gusanga ebirengereri byabo na boigo kubatoka na boigo kogendera kumurera umuske Raila Amolo Odinga nekiro bono banyare kwera buna nere oringe umubwatani omunene gusenere oringe umurai orikone kibuna apakenya banyare go chamo ase chinga kichonzi na boigo nekiro bagoteba nigo abirika hukinia igati ya barai abange aiga asense ya Kenya.
Sitazungumza mengi because some of us are very sad about the passing of Mzee Raila. But the way you said in the prayers, immediately you realize that you're disappointed. You know that somebody will intervene to raise your hopes and the dreams. I believe the way that God has kept Raila checkmating all these things that bad leaders do, somebody else and other people will stand up and keep Raila's legacy running for the future. And I really want to tell my leader and my friend Fred, you heard what that pastor said at Kasarani. And you've also heard what President Uhuru said. We must protect this country. We must take care of the vulnerable. We must make sure we respect each other. And we must make sure that Kenya becomes a country where we love each other and we work because we want a better place for everybody.
I was then 25 years old. Na tumefanya kazi na yeye all these 20 years. Tulianza chama na yeye ODM. Mimi nilikuwa member number 009 na yeye alikuwa number 1. Na tukajenga chama. Baba ndiye alinifundisha siasa. Na alipoona nimemfanyia kazi mingi sana, aliona huyu mtoto lazima nimjenge. Hakuona mimi ni Mkisii, aliona Mkenya daima. He nominated me to be a senator, and even he did not just nominate me to be a senator. He approved and allowed me to be elected by parliament to become a member of the Pan-African Parliament for not just 5 years, but 10 years. So he nominated me twice to be a member of Pan-African Parliament. And I went on my own. I became a woman rep for Kisii County. And Baba was a great man. Kwa hivyo tunamfariji, tunasema pole. We ask the church to pray for Mama Aida na watoto wake. Na pia, let's have peace in this country as we do our transition. Baba, farewell until we meet again.